We love sharing good news, so when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care. And it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.